Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, come on in. Oh, if you don't mind, if you could just sit in the middle, because that seat is kind of...
Wet?
Yeah.
Why is your seat wet?
The last passenger, like, I honestly think she peed her pants, so...
Oh.
Yes.
That's kind of gross.
I haven't had time to clean it yet. So, how's your day going?
Good.
Oh, the door is open. You can just shut it.
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, you got a little pretty strong there, huh? You work out?
Yeah, just a little.
You do squats or what? What do you do in the gym? Let me guess. Every day you do legs. Every girl's the same. They walk in there, let me go on the elliptical. Let me do some squats. And then they leave. It's like, come on, do some upper body. But I feel like you're different. You're not, why don't you say anything?
Because that's kind of offensive, don't you think?
I'm trying to make small talk. I'm an Uber driver. We can literally get away with saying anything.
Oh.
Anyways, so where are you off to?
To the Hype House. You know what that is?
You're going to the Hype House?
Yeah.
With Addison Rae?
She's not really there anymore.
Yeah, she is. Addison Rae's like the leader of the Hype House.
Okay.
Her and Charlie, what's her name? Charlie Jordan. Charlie D'Amelio.
Yeah. They're not really.
Wait, are you famous? Are you on TikTok?
Yeah.
Wait, I think I watched you do the dance videos?
Sometimes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wait, could you follow me? Could you throw me a follow?
I don't know. I don't really follow people I don't know, you know?
Well, we're friends. Literally, like, we're homies, right?
I'm kind of just my Uber driver.
Okay, well, maybe by the end of the ride, I'll change your mind. We'll put it that way. So, anyways, so you go on TikTok a lot?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's kind of my, like, job.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You get paid money doing that?
Yeah.
Gosh, I need to start doing that.
You should. It's quite fun.
You inspired me. I'm going to start a TikTok today.
I'm glad. I love to inspire people.
Maybe I could do like Uber rides or something funny. Like I could be like Uber driver, like gets girlfriend and ride. Like, but we could do a video right now.
No, it's okay.
Oh, how about Uber driver asks pastor for her number, but then you could just give me your number. But like it'll just be for the video.
Oh no.
But like you actually give me your number just so I can like text.
It's okay.
Okay.
We're good.
I thought we were like bonding.
Did you see that? Like, if you go on like the Uber app and I rate you 1 star and like get a refund, then we both get paid.
Wait, what?
Did you see that? Like, if I rate you 1 star and refund the money, that you'll still get paid and I'll get my money back. Did you know that?
You're gonna rate me a 1 star? You're gonna leave me a false report?
Well, no. I was just saying, like, let's say like I refund it or cancel the ride, I get my money, you get yours. You know what I mean?
No, that's called a false report. That's called you're gonna scam me for a free ride.
No.
So you want to leave me a false report so you get your money back?
Well, it's kind of like let's say like, here, how about this? If I do that, I'll make a TikTok with you, or I'll follow you on TikTok. Then I can have my money back.
No, they're gonna fire me. They're gonna deactivate me.
Why would they do that?
Because if I get too many 1 stars, like if I get too many reports, then they're gonna. What did you just do?
Nothing.
You just canceled the ride?
No.
You literally just canceled the ride. Why did you do that? Like, you're trying to scam me for a free
ride.
You're trying to scam me for a free ride?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
I'm kicking you out of my car right now.
Bro, no, you're not. I didn't scam you. I didn't cancel the ride. Can you please just take me?
Why are you calling me bro?
I have to go see my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah, Bryce Hall. Don't you know him?
You're dating Bryce Hall?
Yeah.
I highly doubt that. I'm kicking you out. You guys can walk. Get out.
Are you kidding right now?
Yeah, I just pulled you over. Go.
Bro, my destination.
Why do you keep calling me bro? We're not bro. Like, there was a stepsis. Like, was this thing you're like, what are you doing? Can you get out?
Are you kidding?
Yes, get out. I'm reporting you to Uber.
You're literally weird. First of all.
You know, this is gonna be your last.
Why is your seat wet?
This is gonna be your last Uber. You're getting banned from the platform.
I'm getting banned. You're getting banned. I'm writing a whole report about how you sexually harassed me.
That's not even true.
And 1 star.